First, you'll need to power up your Hyamp tester. Connect the power input plug into its socket on the rear panel of the instrument. Connect the male end of the plug to the outlet receptacle. You'll also need to insert the remote interlock key into the signal input terminal of the rear panel. The instrument will not output current without this key. This allows the user to wire the instrument to the doors of a DUT enclosure. This is a safe workstation, best practice. Press the power button on the front panel of the Hyamp. The instrument will automatically navigate to the main menu. The Hyamp instruments have a versatile user interface that includes a touchscreen and 2 push buttons. There are 3 main touch keys and 2 buttons on the Hyamp interface. Use the Perform Test key to navigate to the Perform Test window. Use the back key to return to a previous menu. Use the Home key to return to the main menu. The buttons are designed for operators that are wearing high voltage gloves. Use the toggle button to scroll through the menu parameters. Use the My Menu Select button to either make a menu selection or choose the My Menu option. Touch the Setup Test menu icon, then press Add File to create a new test file. Input the test file name and hit Enter. Press Add Step to create a new test. Press Output Mode to select AC or DC. Press Enter to confirm. To change the test current, input the numeric value on the touchscreen and touch the Enter key to confirm. To navigate between test parameters, either input the value and press the Enter key, or swipe left and right to change the parameters. Once all parameters have been input, press the Perform Test icon. You will be prompted to save your test file changes. Press Enter to confirm. The Perform Test screen displays the following parameters: file name, test step number, test type, status indicator, test time, test current, test voltage, resistance limit indicators, load button and loading test files, and results button for viewing test results. Finally, we're going to show you how to connect the Hyamp to a DUT and run the test sequence. You're going to need the following accessories: the black return and sense lead, and the universal style adapter box. First, connect the adapter box leads to the current and sense plus ports on the front panel of the instrument. Then, connect the returned sense minus lead to the front panel. You can now connect the return sense minus lead onto the ground stud or chassis point of the DUT. Then plug the 3-prong cord of the DUT into the adapter box. Close the DUT enclosure door, stand back, and push the test button to run your test sequence. To view your results, press the results icon. Press the individual step to get details.